Welcome to our YouTube channel. We'll look at our HR onboarding Excel template in today's video. Onboarding from an HR perspective is very important since having a smooth process reduces early churn or early leavers. With this template, get immediate access to crucial onboarding metrics and reports. Have an effective and coherent onboarding process in place. With simple and less time consuming data entry, get metrics and reports in a fully automated dashboard. There are 4 steps in this. Let's take a detailed look at each of them now. The first step, enter values that are relevant to your organization on the settings page. By default, this template supports 25 different onboarding activities and you can list them here. Enter the rest of the attributes like gender, hire source, job type, job categories, and salary grade, and also define exit details like exit type and the reasons that are defined by your company. In step 2, enter the list of employees in the employee sheet, the name, the employee number, and the rest of the relevant employee details. The next step, in the onboarding sheet, you will have the employee name, the department, and the start date already populated. All you need to input are the dates on which each of the onboarding activities are completed for each employee. Once these dates are given, the Excel sheet automatically calculates the onboarding status, whether it's completed, in progress, or not started, and the completion date. That is, in case all the activities are completed, the latest of these dates are taken as the completed date. Once these data are given, you can view the fully automated dashboard immediately. In the dashboard sheet, enter the start date and an end date for which you would want to view the dashboard. Once entered, get metrics like new joiners, that is, the number of employees with start date within the given range, onboarded percentage, that is, what a percentage of employee have completed the onboarding process. Average onboarding days gives the average number of days taken to onboard an employee, and the 90-day churn rate. You can view key trends of the metrics like new joiners across every month, the onboarding completion status, 90-day churn rate as trends as well. You can also view the number of employees currently being onboarded here. Since 90 days churn rate and average onboarding days are important, you can view these charts based on different analysis dimensions like department, gender, hire source, ethnicity, etc. This helps in gaining deeper insights on reducing churn and improving the overall onboarding process. In the print sheet, view or print the list of onboarding activities for any particular employee, along with the completion dates. With a simple Excel template, you shall have access to important HR onboarding metrics and reports to aid you in informed decision making, all within a few minutes. Thank you for staying with us through the video. We hope this was informative. If you have any questions or comments, we would love to hear from you. Reach out to us through our website or LinkedIn or send us an email at support@indzara.com. We appreciate your support and value your feedback. Also, if you want to see more such videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss an update. We have a lot more great content coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon.